Hello, my dear children. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. I'm your Deepti ma'am. Today we are going to learn about animal habitat.
There are many different habitats around the world, such as the forest.
Do you know what is an animal habitat? Habitat is a place in which animals live. Habitat is a place in which animals live. Which animal is this? This is a dog. Dog is a pet animal. The dog lives in the kennel. The dog lives in the kennel. Which animal is this? This is a lion. This is a lion. Lion is a wild animal. The lion lives in the den. The lion lives in the den. Okay, which animal is this? This is a horse. This is a horse. Horse is a domestic animal. The horse lives in the stable. The horse lives in the stable. And which bird is this? This is a hen. This is a hen. This is a domestic bird. The hen lives in the coop. The hen lives in the coop. And which animal is this? This is a cow. This is a cow. This is a domestic animal. The cow gives us milk. The cow lives in the shed. The cow lives in the shed. And which animal is this? This is a sheep. This is a sheep. The sheep gives us wool. The sheep gives us wool. The sheep lives in the pen. The sheep lives in the pen. And which animal is this? This is a mouse. The mouse is a small animal. The mouse lives in the hole. The mouse lives in the hole. And which animal is this? This is a squirrel. This is a squirrel. Squirrel is live in the tray. The squirrel lives in the tray.
Dear goat, where do you live? I live in the pen.
Now it is classwork time. Let's solve the question.
Match the animal with their house. Which animal is this? This is a dog. Dog lives in Kennel. The dog lives in kennel. And which animal is this? This is a sheep. This is a sheep and sheep lives in very good pen. And which animal is this? This is a squirrel and squirrel lives in grave. Very good children. Good job.
Do it yourself. Now it is worksheet time. Kids to practice what they have learned now. Parents can download the worksheet from the link provided in the description below. After completing the worksheet, the same needs to be mailed at edu@udayankidz.com. Our academic team will review and return the checked sheet to the same email ID.
Because I'm a tiger from the grassland habitat.
I hope you all are enjoying this video. See you in next class. Bye bye children.
Elephant in the jungle, an elephant in the jungle, a monkey on the tree, a monkey on the tree, an owl in the tree hole, a cat in the house, a cat in the house.
Let's make learning fun for everyone. Like, share and subscribe Udayan Kids.